जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 5th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, karma yogam, jnana yogam, for both of them the result is, the fruit is atma sakshatkaram. Whatever those who performs jnana yogam attains, which is atma sakshatkaram, the same fruit will be attained by those who performs karma yogam." Arjuna, like this, those who understands, they are the one truly understanding the things as they are. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand Jnana Yogam, Karma Yogam. For both of them the fruit is the same, and Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to do Karma Yogam, which is also known as Nishkama Karma. While having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yat Sankhyaih Prapyate Sthanam Tadyogaihi Api Gamyate Ekam Sankhyancha Yogancha Yah Pasyati Sapasyati. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings, Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Shaunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi. In that process, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sri Krishna avataram, saying that, O Narada, when Bhagavan came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma, one of those days in Vrepalle, there are so many cows and gopalas, they all got fainted. At that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma ajivayata anugraha drushti vrishtiya, he made sure the nectar like his vision showered, his grace showered on all of them, and he made them, all of them alive. O Narada, in that Yamuna river, in one place, there is a Kaliya, tat suddhaye ati vishavirya. Krishna Paramatma wanted to purify all those waters in that pond, in that Yamuna river. That is why, what did he do? He removed that Kaliya, such a big serpent, Bhikaragarala Dvijhvudagu Kaliya Pannagun ఆహ్రదంబుజెచ్చద వెడలించి కాచె యదుసింహుడు గోపిక గోగణంబులన్. Krishna Paramatma went into that Yamuna river and he removed that Kaliya who has so much of strong poison in him. Krishna Paramatma removed that Kaliya and made sure those waters got purified, all the poison is removed, and all the people, all of his people are protected. Like that, when Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna, he has done such a wonderful, miraculous activities. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sri Krishna avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Shatruchedaikamantram Sakalamupanishat Vakya Sampujya Mantram Samsarottara Mantram Samupachita Tamasangha Niryana Mantram Sarva Aishwaryaika Mantram Vyasana Bhujaga Sandashta Santrana Mantram Jikhve श्रीकृष्णमन्त्रं जप जप सततं जन्मसाफल्यमन्त्रम् कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 5th श्लोक यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैः अपि गम्यते एकं साङ्ख्यञ्च योगञ्च यः पश्यति स पश्यति। यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं साङ्ख्यञ्च योगञ्च यः पश्यति स पश्यति। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।